a prosecution and conviction for this person. And so I kind of looked at where I was in my life and just decided I don't have it in me to go through this process and to stand up in court and to give a statement and then for somebody to get off. You know, at the time my partner was travelling and I remember ringing my partner and having to tell him what happened.